Hey guys! Okay, so you all have been wanting this and I'm going to deliver, as promised. So you all want to learn how to create music videos for free. I'm talking free. I'm talking not spending a penny. Well, I've done a lot of promotional videos and as promised, here we go. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All the links will be in the description below. Now, let me point out, obviously, your production will not be as good as it would be if you were using plans and credits. But this is perfect for those who want to learn and can't purchase any plans and want to get going. All the links are in the description. First, go to Suno and click on Create, and now at the top, click Custom. And then in the lyrics section, click the wand and type this. Write me a song about a girl who's just broken up from her boyfriend and doesn't care anymore. She feels free, and there is nothing that is going to stop her going out tonight. This will give us 2 to choose from. And I'm going to select this. So choose this option. Now under Style, we are going to type Pop and R&B vibe with a female singer with emotion. Now under Advanced Options, set the vocal gender to female. And then let's hit Create. Now it should give us 2 generations, so we will listen to parts of both of them.
Down the hall, phone silent in my bag. I'm not waiting for your call, mascara.
Okay, I'm going to choose this one. At the start, during the intro, I will do title credits. But hey, we now have our song. Now we need our character. So click the link in the description for OpenArt AI and sign up for your free trial and join their Discord to unlock more credits. If you click Start Here, you can claim your free trial credits here by copying this link, and then if you click FAQ and you click Claim next to all these, then as you can see, it gives you more. And eventually, you will have quite a few credits to be able to generate a few shots that we will need for our music video. Once you have your credits, click Image, then click Create Image. We are limited with the credits that we have, so we have to nail it with our prompts and see what model we can use. I'm going to select Seedream 4.0 as this is only 15 credits for one image. So I'm going to use this to generate our main character and then to use as a reference for more images, which you will see. So with Seedream 4 selected, we are going to type into the prompt, a photorealistic model shot of a young woman in her 20s. She is a singer, standing in a model shoot. She is wearing nightclub-style female clothing. Her red hair is up in a tight, high ponytail, with bangs and strands of hair framing each side of her face. Her expression is confident and outgoing. Background of the studio is slightly blurred. 8K ultra-realistic photo and cinematic soft lens. Then we are going to select the output to widescreen. And then we are going to hit Create. Okay, awesome! She looks great, and I'm going to use this. Now we need to go to ChatGPT. Can you look at the following lyrics and generate me some detailed prompts to input into OpenArt AI, which will be used to generate multiple shots for a music video? Then we are going to need to paste our lyrics from Suno, and ChatGPT will generate multiple prompts that we are able to copy into OpenArt. What this will do is it will give us multiple prompts that we can use to create the images we need for our music video. Alternatively, You can create your own if you don't like what ChatGPT gives you. What I will say is always try include the word close-up shot, as when lip syncing, the AI will need to be able to see the lips to get a perfect lip sync. Okay, so once we have our prompts, we go back to OpenArt, and then we copy and paste the prompt we want to use. Now, we will go to OmniReference and click History, and then select our main image we just generated, and then we will set the output to widescreen and the number of images too, and hit Create. Okay, I like these. Now repeat this process, but be aware of your credits. And once you have done this, you should have all your images. Something a bit like this. Now we have our images. We are going to turn these into videos. For this, we are going to use Grok Imagine. The link is in the description. Grok will give you multiple free generations. Now, with the prompts, I would suggest you look at your images and decide what from the image what you would like to see happen. So, for instance, in this one, I'm going to type into the prompt, "She gets up and walks towards the camera confidently as the camera follows her." And this is the output that we will get. Now, once you have done this and your videos are complete, download them, and then we are now ready for lip syncing. Now, before you go and drag your song into lip sync, it won't work. You need to cut your clips and audios into segments. So I would usually use Adobe Premiere Pro, but as this is a free tutorial, I'm going to use DaVinci Resolve Studio, and the link to download will be in the description below. It is free to install. Now, open DaVinci and create a new project, and we are going to call this Tutorial Music Video, and then we are going to click Create. So first, we are going to drag in our audio file, and then we are going to drag in all our video clips we created in Grok. Then we drag our first clip into the timeline, mute the audio of the video track, and now it's about positioning your videos where you would like them on the timeline. So listen to the song and place your clips where you feel is fitting for them to go. So I'm going to speed this up whilst I do this. Okay, once you have everything where you would like it to be, then now we are going to remove the audio from the video tracks. So right-click on the audio track of the video, and you should see Link Clips. That has a tick next to it. If you click this, it will unlink then, just anywhere. And then click your audio of the video track again and hit Backspace. And this will delete the audio. And do this for all the video tracks. You can highlight them all, do them all at once. But if you have audio in some of your videos that you want to include, then delete them one by one. Okay, once you have done this, then we are ready to start creating our clips for lip syncing. So find where you want your first lip sync to begin, and move the playhead to the start of the clip and press I. And then move the playhead to the end of the clip and hit O. This now has sectioned out what we would like to export. Then we are going to click Deliver. Now at the top, you will see H.264. Select this, click Video, and then change the format to MP4 and the codec to H.264. Now we need to choose our location. Create a folder called Output in your directory where your clips are, then name the file name V1 and click Add to Render Queue. As you can see, it has added this job to our render queue. Now go back over to where we choose video and change the file name to A1 and scroll across until you find Audio Only. Click the Audio tab and change the format to MP3. Do this process for all your segments that you would like, and you should have something that looks like this. So all my videos are V1, V2, and the audios are the same, A1, A2. So the link is in the description, lipsync.video. And once you are there, sign up and you will be given 300 free trial credits. Now click AI Lip Sync. Then we are going to upload our video V1. Click Lip Sync 2.0. And then I'm going to upload the audio A1. Then I'm going to hit Generate. Now, this may take a little time as this is free, and we won't be prioritized above paying customers. Okay, so do the same for all your videos that you have and download them. Once you have all your clips, we are going to now go back into DaVinci Resolve. And in our project, we are going to create a new bin and call it Lip Synced. Now we are going to drag all of our lip synced videos into here. Once they have been dragged in, we are now going to look for our first lip sync and replace it with our new lip synced video clip. Then, the same as before, right-click and link clips, and then hit backspace on the audio from the video file. And that's it! Once you have gone through and do this to all your videos and your music video is complete, then we need to export the video. So first, let's add a transition at the beginning for a fade in. We will use this cross dissolve. And add the blur to the last clip of the video. Now we have to drag the playhead to the beginning of your video and hit I, and then to the end of your video and hit O. Now drag in an audio transition to fade out your music. Then, once everything is done, click Deliver, and then H264. Save it to your project folder and name the music video whatever you want to call it. Click the Video tab and change the format to MP4 and the codec to H264. Then click Add to Render Queue, and then come over to your render queue and click Render All. That's the video complete! So if you have followed this step by step, then you should have something that looks a little bit like this.
Down the hall, phone on silent in my bag. I'm not waiting for your call. Mascara sharp like a line, lipstick louder than your name. Took my tears, turned them off, left you drama in the frame. I'm out tonight.
Okay, that's not too bad. For a free music video, that is not bad at all. Obviously, with paid plans, the quality would be different, but as for free goes, I'm happy with the result. But anyway, if you are new here, then I'm Sky. I do tutorials on everything AI. Click my links in the description if you decide you want to make more and you want to purchase a plan with OpenArt or Musicful, and use my discount codes currently on screen. And please like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I've made your AI music video dreams become a reality. I love you all. You guys are awesome, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.